Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable show grid continuously with count columns and count rows in overlays voice control on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then top. Then in the accessibility, scroll down again and go to physical and motor section and then tap the voice control. Then in the voice control, go to this section and then tap the customize commands. Then in the customize commands, find and tap the overlays. Then in the overlays, find and tap again the show grid continuously with count columns and count rows. Then after that, as you can see that it is already enabled. But you have to activate also the switch button under the confirmation required to fully activate or fully enable the show grid continuously with count columns and count rows in your overlays until it becomes green, just like this. And if you want to disable or turn off, just tap again the switch button. And that's it, we have successfully enabled and disabled show grid continuously with count columns and count rows and overlays voice control on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!